What's his grab in this game? Or not grab, in the previous games. The grapple hook thing. I don't remember what it's called. I haven't played Zelda in forever, but that thing, I mean, that's technically changed. Oh yeah. Grappling hook. Okay, cool, thank you. Decent hog.
Decent not.
Yeah. So what time is it? 9:16?
9.
Yeah, I got
9:17.
I got time. I can stay for a little bit longer.
I'm gonna hop on the bike.
Hey, let's go. Please do not read chat, because me and Spikefire were discussing things.
Oh my.
Yes.
Anything base going on?
Well, we got Yoshi and King K. Rool. We got Battle of the Reptiles.
Well, that's pretty
There's a joke somewhere to be made there, but I can't think of one.
That's a real.
I think technically. Are crocodiles,
Yeah, they're reptiles.
are they reptiles or amphibians?
No, they're reptiles.
Okay.
Dinosaurs are reptiles too for the most part.
Okay. Yeah, I know.
There's a few exceptions.
Yeah. Alright.
So far we're seeing the more apex predator over here.
Oh yeah. We're seeing that,
Dinosaurs were better than the crocodiles by a long shot.
yeah. Then again, crocodiles did survive.
Yeah, they survived the most extinction events.
Yeah, if we're talking about extinction, then I think possibly Pink might have this. However, we are definitely seeing that Spikefire is definitely doing really well. Yeah. He's doing really great with just rushing down Pink. However, Pink getting the read on the aggression gets the nice counter, leads into a really bad disadvantage. Ooh, gets the down B though. Alright, nice little usage, gets the up smash, doesn't kill though. Alright.
Spikefire's accuracy has been on point this match so far.
Yeah, really good usage of egg roll there. Yeah, he is just rushing him down super hard. Gets the back air.
Second stock in.
Yeah, second stock in. Gets the up smash. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Alright, seems to be toning it down a lot more with the offense, playing a lot more defensive now.
We're about to see combo wombos from Spikefire real quick.
Nice combos there, nice egg throw. Nice down B. Misses the spike though, gets the tech. Alright. I'm noticing a lot of usage of down B here, which is often a move that you don't really see many Yoshis use. I believe that's the fourth one that's been used so far. Really interesting that he's going for this, but, you know. I don't know. Alright, goes for the up smash, that's gonna be it. Spikefire with a very, what felt like a very quick 2-0.
Yeah, less than 2.5 minutes.
Yeah. Huh. So, I'm not too sure if he's going to be going for it, because I know Pink is trying to phase him out. However, I could see him go for Mr. Game & Watch.
I haven't seen Pink's Game & Watch yet, so if it does come out, that'll be my first time seeing it.
I've seen it. It's pretty good.
Would you say anywhere as good as Meister's?
No.
Or Cubes? What about Cubes? Would that be more relatable?
It's slightly lower than Cube. I think Cube definitely has the better Game & Watch. However, Pink is, I think, a solid second.
Yeah.
The best Game & Watch for BC. Alright, going to Battlefield. Seems like a pretty good stage. Not really too sure how well it is for whatever character Pink is going for. Yep, there it is.
You called it.
Saw it from a mile away.
We'll see if this changes anything.
Not to mention no respect for YoRHa. YoRHa barely plays anymore.
I was about to say who? Like,
yeah.
No disrespect. Oh no, bro.
Spikefire is so cute. I guess that goes back to what we were discussing earlier.
Oh.
But
I mean, like, they're not wrong.
I mean, okay, for context, someone brought up in chat who's cuter, Richter Link,
right.
And we just went on a huge tangent of like which Smasher is the hottest for about 15 minutes, give or take. So yeah.
I think I might have to go with Snake and Captain Falcon on that one. They're definitely
Snake
up
and Captain Falcon are definitely up there. My answers go to, well, depends on if you're going for hot or cute. Because I feel like those are two very different things.
They're very different.
If we're going for cute, I would say Marth. But if we're going for hot, my personal answer would probably be Kronk.
Alright, that's fair.
Sorry, I'm gonna need to grab my charger.
Go right on ahead. I think I have enough. Wait, what?
Oh no. You're an atheist?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Wait, were you?
The last time we met was...
There must be someone else here.
I'll be... I should be fine. Yes. It is what it is. If I should have back up. I should... Oh, I see. Okay. This has happened to me before. What grade were you in when that happened?
Astronaut.
Did they continue doing UBCEA stuff?
No, it's done now. It's bad because they're all busy and hardcore members.
So you're in third grade now?
No, I'm here exactly.
Oh, okay. Just like chilling, day trading.
Yeah, I don't
Like in the stalls?
Yeah.
Alright.
Stocks, Pokemon cards.
Pokemon cards?
Yeah.
Do you
I
play?
think it's stocks, not my name.
Do you play? Okay. Yeah. We have a community in Richmond. Every Sunday we play at D&D.
Yeah, I do.
No, in person. Yeah, actual cards, yeah. And we got like vendors and everything. Like a lot of people just come and like definitely come check it out.
But I see it more
Crazy. I tried to get into the market. I lost quite a bit of money, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna play the game.
That's it. Wait, which type of market was that?
Yeah, Pokemon cards. I have like in my closet. I still have like a Zekrom Pikachu box. I have both the Evolving Skies. I see.
I was able to grab like first edition combos.
Nice. Yeah.
I was able to get a 6 and probably back in
Okay.
I had some great luck. That's still for over 2 kids.
Where's the adapter?
I'm grabbing my spare.
I know. I went to the what's it called, the ultra premium because one of my friends, he was like, yo, I'm gonna go get the ultra premium collection. I was like, oh, that thing, we're gonna make a bunch of money. I lined up, and I instantly sold it, and I made like $300. I was like, dang, I'm so good at this. And then afterwards, I lost a bunch of money. I was like, nah, dude, I'm just gonna play the game for fun. I'm just gonna play the game for fun. Fuck it. If I want to do stocks, I'll do it on the stock market.
Yeah, it's like I'm trying to the stock market. Airline stocks, credit stocks. Mother those and that's that. That's what we want to see. I think it's got to be the most insane one time. get a job. It's kind of guaranteed. Yeah. It's like too much work. I'm not like guaranteed. Are you trying to make bank? One of my friends is doing that too. He does like crypto thing, and then he literally yesterday during psych class he got bored. He pulled out his laptop. He's like, "Should I start doing my taxes?" I was like, "Oh my goodness, crypto taxes. That's that."
You get accepted doing something.
It's okay though. I was like, worst case, IRS comes knocking at your door and they already did it for you. So you just need to pay them. not how it actually works, but make them come to you.
Yeah. I need a 100 calories for one. And I'll take 100 calories. I don't want to open this zero. And I died. It's like a no play. My phone's going
It's been a lot of fun. There's been a lot of fun. That's kind of nice. Yeah. There's kind of like test it out.
I think we'll see that.